Alright, we're working on the 1979 Plymouth Volare Custom. So as you see, I need a grill, so if you got one, let me know. And we're just going to take a look at the engine bay. This is where I got to go to next. I got to get everything all cleaned up. I want it looking good, detailed. We'll paint it if it needs it. Frame will be black, and but what we have now is an engine that's ready to drop. Going back through my photographs, this is how it was when it came out, except I did have the carburetor on. But this is my setup. That's the one I used to take it out with. The carburetor's almost in the way, so I'm going to go ahead and leave that off till later. So, yeah. Alternator had to come back off. This is where the chain was hooked up to bring it out. But now I got all the little goodies on. Ground strap. And this went around there like that. And I got all this stuff put together the way it goes. You know, your stovepipe, dipstick, and bracket. So I'm saying the engine's ready to go in. But I need to go to the engine bay next. Light ain't that great in here, but it's pretty good. So one thing I didn't find was any pictures of the front from this angle, but I'm hoping I might find one in the book. It shows the V8 a lot, but not the 6 so much. So that's where I'm at today with my project. And this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.